Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make a real map. Nowadays, there are more and more apps available for maps. With the GPS location feature on your phone, you can easily find the location of restaurants you want to go to, or even the location of your friends. You can also use taxi hailing apps to locate available taxis in your area. Now let's set up the widgets. Change the page dimension to iPhone 13. Then drag in widgets to create the top bar. Change the button text to search and change their style. Drag into an inline frame and select Toggle Border. Select Never Scroll here in scroll bars. Next, let's set up the interaction. Go to the Google Map website and choose a location. Then choose Share, Embedded a Map, Copy Link. Returning to Axure RP, select Link to an external URL or file in the inline frame. Then paste the code. Remove the header and tail of the code, leaving only the URL. Select Map in the preview on the right pane. Preview the prototype. You can see that the inline framework has loaded the map, and you can drag the map freely. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.